The Filipino Creed, community service and good governance. We live in a society where the laws of the jungle prevail. Bully or be bullied. Manipulate or be manipulated. Dominate or be dominated. Survival. Choose which side to take, or be a sacrifice to the whims and selfishness of individuals. Now is the time to move, to act, to participate. In the midst of poverty, the Philippines suffers basic survival problems, but the government commits itself to solving corruption, internal and external conflicts, and poverty. The country has been working in close collaboration with the community, non-government and international organizations on a range of issues like poverty alleviation, health, the cleaning of our environment, and the advancement of human rights. The government cannot do this alone. The country needs us, young and old alike. We will take charge of our future. We must take lead in safeguarding our country from downfall. I'm not your Super Ingo or Captain Barbell. I'm not a superhero, and I will never be one. But together, and with God's grace, you and I can be powerful, and we can affect changes. We can make a difference. With this in mind, I would like to bank on two things. First, be a good student, a good son or daughter, a good brother or sister, a good friend, a good neighbor, and a good Filipino. Make sure that everything is in its rightful place and done on time. Put in simple words, I don't waste my time in computer games, but instead, I engage myself to campus journalism or sports like basketball. Being a basketball varsity player has taught me many things in life that contribute in molding me to become a better person. Sports teach us the value of discipline, hard work, fairness, and sportsmanship. The same basic rules in our daily living. Channeling your energies into more productive endeavors will surely develop you into becoming more productive individuals. Productive individuals make productive societies, which in turn comprise a progressive country. Second, be a servant. Learn to love your fellow men as your own family. This I learned as a member of KKB or Kristiyanong Kabataan para sa Bayan. Here, we would reach out to our less fortunate brothers. God bless us to be a blessing to others. That cycle of human kindness never stops. It keeps on rolling until it reaches everyone. Support the projects of the community and serve our fellow men. For no man lives by himself alone. With selflessness, we are able to appreciate the basic rule of Mother Nature. The diversity that divides us is the same diversity that unites us. One blood runs in our vein. One motherland to live and die for. Community service and good governance. Learned by heart and followed to a T. The Philippines will surely skyrocket to its much-awaited rebirth of peace, prosperity, and unity, encapsulated in the song we sing every day. The last part of it, lupa ng araw ng luwag. pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng pag may mang-aapi ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. To live and die for the country is mankind's ultimate happiness. To live and die for the Philippines is the Filipinos' ultimate happiness. This is our guiding principle. With a society where the laws of the jungle prevail. This is the Filipino creed, community service and good governance.